Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurifah Hayani binti Sobri. My metric number S76019. So today I will present my individual assignment for course ACT3513.
First of all, select the blank database and then name the table as row ID with the data type is a number. Last name, data type is short text. First name, the data type is short text. Current address, the data type is short text. Required mode amount, change the data type into RM. Lender ID, short text, and appraiser ID, short text.
Ni aku dah rasa habis. Kalau tak ada ni, mampus aku. Patel. Ikut dia macam tu. Boleh? Ikut boleh tak bos? Boleh je kan ada sini kan?
After fill all the data in the table, rename the table as a borrower table.
Kau tadi komen action tu?
Let's change the reg mod amount in dollar format. As for the second table, rename the table as a lender table. And then for the lender ID, change the data type into number, lender name, and lender address is a short text.
Ha? Tutup. So, mana weh?
For the last data sheet, rename the table as a appraiser table and then fill in the blank with appraiser ID, data type is a number, and appraiser name, which is the data type is a short text. To solve problem 4.1e, create a query and choose borrower table and appraiser table. Click borrower ID, last name, and appraiser name. For the criteria, type advanced appraisers and click run. Save the query as answer A. For B, create a different query and choose a borrower table and appraiser table. In borrower table, click the appraiser ID and appraiser name in appraiser table. Click run and then filter the appraiser name that contains letter D. Save the query as answer B. For question C, create a different query and click borrower table and lender table. In borrower table, choose a borrower ID and the amount, and then in lender table, click the lender name. Question C mentioned that list all the lenders that use appraiser ID, so that click the appraiser ID and click don't show in the datasheet view. Run the data and name it as answer C. For question D, create a new query and choose borrower table, appraiser table, and lender table. The question wants the amount, list of lenders that lend more than $100,000, and then filter the amount more than $100,000 and hide the amount in design view and click run. Save the query as answer D. Next, create a new query and click appraiser borrower table and lender table. In borrower table, click the amount and lender ID, and in lender table, click the lender name. Choose the average in the required mod amount and sort it in descending. Run the data and name it as answer E. For the last question, click the query and click appraiser table and the borrower table. Click the amount and appraiser name. Change the group of amount into count and run the data. Save the table as an answer F.